Let's dive straight into gold, XRP and the trading course. Welcome back. You know how we do, we dive straight into gold. From the last video, I drew this wedge. I said we'll be waiting for a breakout in either direction. We broke down. We've had this corrective price action, another impulse down. And I was expecting us to come a bit lower. I was expecting to hit at least 2262. And then just before NFP, I drew on this line, these 2 points here. And I was expecting either a tap into here and a sharp bounce, or us to follow through to the target 2262. Now we spiked up a little bit into this level, but we didn't really get a strong push up. This is still a possibility going into the week, but I'm going to delete that for now. Let's grab another trend line. We're now forming another wedge. So just like with this previous one, I'm going to wait and we'll trade the breakout in either direction. Now after NFP, let's see if we can go back. Not that far. Here we go. Non-farm employment change, we didn't hit the projected figures. They actually expected it to beat this figure, but we didn't. Hourly earnings have gone down, unemployment's gone up. This is terrible for the dollar. So with the dollar going down, you expect gold to go up. But the only thing with that is, because the economy is doing bad, the Federal Reserve are less likely to cut rates. So that has the opposite effect on gold. So we have these two fighting powers right now. So wait for that wedge breakout on gold. XRP, take a quick look. Intradaily, let's go 30 minutes. I'm expecting this to play out like a mini head and shoulders pattern, and just a small push down. 0.52 would be the target. If you wanted to draw a little trend line like that, you could say, yeah, we've bounced along that 3 taps. I know I haven't drawn it brilliantly. We break, retest, and we're now falling. You know, it's a lower high getting printed in here. So XRP, and I'm going to quickly show you the deal on the course right now. If you head to BKFX trading.com, you can have a look. It was 300, now only 149. If you're interested and the way you've seen it is through this video, contact me and I'll give you an even better deal. This is just an overview of some of the things, a non-exhaustive list of the topics. We go through absolutely everything. You could be a beginner who's never traded before, or if you've already got experience, you've been trading 1 year, even up to 5 years, you can skip the beginner stage and come straight to, you know, the meat of it. So yeah, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the course. Alright, so let me go right to the top. I'll show you just a little snippet of the course. So you've got the first stage. We teach you the absolute basics, ground level stuff, technical patterns, terminology used, how to trade. You know, you need a broker, you need MetaTrader 4 or 5, C Trader. We go into economics. We tell you how to analyze stocks and shares, absolutely everything, top down, bottom up analysis. And then if you want to test yourself at the end, there's a little exam section with questions. So yeah, here's like terminology if you're an absolute beginner. Long, I get that question a lot. What is a long trade? It's where you're buying, prices move up. Because if you say to someone you're selling, they can think you're selling something you've already bought, whereas short means it's a sell trade. You're making profit as the price comes down. Let's shoot through, see something else in the course. What shall we take a look at? So there's reading price structure on here, bull traps, bear traps, how to read the economic news and analyse it properly. It's not as simple as just saying, oh, this should be good for the dollar goes up. Because as I mentioned with the Federal Reserve, that becomes a fighting force for the same asset class. We go through economics, as I said, supply and demand. It's the bread and butter of absolutely anything. Your bananas in the shop, currencies, stocks. Emotional intelligence and psychology of trading. Key. If you can't manage yourself and your emotions, how can you manage money? We come on to creating a trading plan, a personal one for yourself. We go through an example. We always have a lot of examples and case studies in this course. Advanced technical strategies, in-depth views of basic Elliott wave pattern. We go into great detail. We give you examples. I won't go too far through the technical strategies. We go through smart money concepts, fair value gaps, trading imbalance, 618 double bottom strategy. So I'll go through this one quickly. Price falls, a double bottom is formed. We break out past that, which is confirming the double bottom. You wait for a reversal to the golden ratio, the 0.618 retracement level, and then your target is a measurement from A to B. So then you also get an ABCD pattern. So you wait for that, pull back to there. Target is equal length from A to B from your entry point. And as you can see, we spiked up, smash into that. We give you exact details on how to trade it. As with all the other strategies, there's over 160 pages here. So obviously can't go through them all. The main players in the market, you need to know this. A lot of people don't know that. If you're trading your own money, you're a retail trader here. And there are all these other categories which impact your trading. So I'm not going to go through it all, I'll leave it there. If you're interested, contact me, or I didn't show you the contact details at the bottom here. info@bkfxtrading.com by email, or bk_fx on Instagram. Reach out to me, I'll give you a deal. Let's make some money. Good luck.